Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to Jim Grant Senior's channel. Well, here we go. Do a quick video this morning on the channel. This is a bit of a week. It's me, obviously, Beto James. I'll show you a few things yesterday. So into the birds. First book yesterday was Concise Garden Bird Guide. Very nice book there. Very lovely book. Pictures of birds in there. And what's good about it is a lovely poster inside. So we're you can hear me now. Quick recognition guide. All the different birdies. There was a we get up the top there. Lovely stuff. More in the back. Keep it in there at the back. Handy book. Fits in your pocket or your bag. And then I got this book. Garden Birds of Britain and Northern Europe. More detailed. Lovely pictures. Let's see, my favorite. Oh, here's a. Let's see. Yeah, page 110. A blackbird. That's a female blackbird. That's the male blackbird. We actually have a pair of those in the back at the moment, so you see those on my Facebook, my photos. And another book got this guide to bird watching. Simple guide, nice small book, suitable for kids. Get you started, and of course that was part of a 3-in-1 here. The book, a treehouse, and a book. So, and I got my binoculars. Really expensive binoculars. 10 by 25. See, plenty with that, plenty with those. And it's raining outside, so no pictures today, I'm afraid. But stay tuned to the Jim Grant Senior channel, where I'll post a lot of my bird videos, and etc. Also to the Beto James channel. Okay, there we go. It's lovely raining outside. I'm downstairs in the living room on this cheaper headset. So I might try and do some images. It's called look at that's down here. Alright, there you go. So I'm off to look at the birds, and it's lazy Friday afternoon, and one day my dad will post here, I'm sure. Nice little webcam. Now stop recording. It's 4 minutes. Bye. It's the Mickey Mouse Fan Club.